Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw a car with very simple and easy steps. First of all, we are going to put some dots to draw few rectangles. So the dots will be like this. I'm going to put 4 dots. Now we are going to connect the dots. It's a rectangle. We'll draw another rectangle here. And another rectangle on the right side. Then we are going to connect the corners. And we'll draw the front. Then we're going to draw the front wheel and the rear wheel. Then we'll connect the wheel with a straight line. Here's the doors for the car. So it's almost done. If we want to make this car more visible or more interesting, then we can put some shades on it. After putting shade, it's going to get some 3D effects. So we can do the dots, lines for the sketches. We can put more lines here. It's getting sketch effects. Now the windows, side panel, front windows, and the rear windows. Two headlights in the front. Now we can put the car on the road. We'll put some shades also. That's it. It's very easy, simple, and easy to remember. So nothing's complicated. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the videos and put the bell icon on for the further notifications. Thank you.